Welcome back, guys, to our Schmiedmann channel. Today we are going to talk about JOM. JOM is a German manufacturer of car parts, including coilover kits. This video is going to be about the coilover kit for the iconic, some might say classic, BMW E46. But as always, Schmiedmann.com can deliver the complete range of JOM parts and JOM coilover kits. I personally went to the warehouse here at Schmiedmann.com and found a JOM coilover kit for the BMW E46. Let's have a look what's in the box. Here we have it, the JOM BlueLine coilover suspension kit. And when you buy this at Schmiedmann.com, these two stabilizer links are included in the set, so this becomes a ready-to-mount set for your BMW E46. Let's get that out of the way and let's move on into the big box here. BlueLine coilover suspension kit, pretty cool. We have the warranty card here. You can fill it out with your information and get the full warranty from BlueLine. And of course the tool for the height adjustment. I'll get back to that later. Use that when they are mounted so you can get the stance of your BMW E46 as you want them. Let's get that out of the way and have a closer look. A lot of boxes. Before we get a closer look what's inside these boxes, remember to like, share and comment content like this. I would really appreciate it, and it really means a lot to us all at Schmiedmann.com. This coilover kit from JOM for the BMW E46 can be lowered 40 to 65 millimeters in the front and 30 to 60 millimeters in the back, so you can level it or you can get the sporty wedge-shaped lowering on your BMW E46. Let's have a closer look and a little presentation of what's in front of me. High quality, low budget part here. In front here you have the front unit. This is for the left side. The set of course includes both sides, front and rear. You see galvanized steel parts here, pretty cool, which really tells that this is high quality at a low budget price. Here on the front part you have the non-slip adjustment wrench as you have it right here for the unit, for the back. And you see this thread here, you can adjust the height with the included tool, which I already showed you, which was on top of the boxes. Well, let's move on here. High quality EPS powder coated springs, front and rear, which gives you high durability and a cool blue look on your car. Really cool, this for the BMW E46. These cool blue springs on the front and of course on the rear are cold wound, which make them durable, which is only emphasized by the EPS coating, which gives them their cool blue look. Pretty cool on all BMW E46 models, excluding the M3. You have the black dust sleeve here and the solid rubber white travel limiter here. Pretty cool. All the elements from way more expensive lowering parts here at a low budget price at Schmiedmann.com from JOM, their BlueLine series. Really a bestseller here, and it should be. We completely understand. This is a cool part for your BMW E46, and of course JOM BlueLine coilover kits are available for almost any BMW model out there. Go get it on Schmiedmann.com. This JOM BlueLine coilover kit is a low budget part. We know that, and you should know that too, but you get so many elements from way more expensive coilover kits. So this might be just the right solution for you and your BMW. Go to Schmiedmann.com now and find it. Remember to share, like, and comment content like this. Really means a lot to me personally and all of us here at Schmiedmann. Stay tuned on all our social media and stay safe.